Hi everyone, myself Professor Savaikar. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of NEET. You just find that from last few years, the question is asked on this particular type of topic. So it is very important topic in NEET point of view. So what actually the topic? We are talking about the Aristotle system of classification. Aristotle is the greatest scientist that you know better. He is the father. He was the father of biology and the father of zoology. He classified the plant and animal into two consecutive categories are there, and on the basis of some important aspect. They classify the plants on the basis of presence of stem, and they classify the animal on the basis of their habitat. What is habitat? The place of living. They classify the organism on the basis of place of living. So look at that, how many types are there. The plant classified to three categories on the basis of stem. Those having soft stem called as herb, those having the several stem that called as the shrub, and those having the one stem that called as the tree. So short stem plant, several stem plant and one stem plant. This is the classification that made by the Aristotle. Then animal, how they classify the animal? Actually, two methods of classification is given here. Classify the organism on the basis of habitat are given here. Air dwellers, the animal who having capacity to fly is called as the air dwellers. The organism who have capacity to walk on the land is called as the land dwellers, and water dwellers means the organism have capacity to swim in the water. So on the basis of that, they make the classification of animal into three consecutive categories are there: air dwellers, land dwellers and the water dwellers are there. Okay? I hope that you get it. So they also classify the animals. They classify the animals on the basis of red blood. They cut the organism. They cut the animals, those having their red color, that classify into anima, means that having their red blood, they classify that into anima, and those animal who don't have red blood is classified that into anima. So this type of classification they made. So we just discussed that part in the detail. What is anima and what is anima? So look at that. Mostly in case of anima, the vertebrates are included there. That definitely having the red color. When we go for the anima, it includes the invertebrate. What they include? They include the invertebrates. So this type of classification that made by the Aristotle. So definitely in case of anima, what type of organisms are there? So viviparous quadrupeds, those organisms who give to their birth to their young one, that we call as the viviparous quadrupeds. That type of classification they made. Then oviparous quadrupeds. Oviparous quadrupeds, those who lay eggs. When they cut the animal, they found that they are having the red color. Then whales, when they cut the whales, they found red color. Fishes, birds, they having the red color. So this type of classification they made. Mostly they are vertebrates. But in case of anima without red blood, these are cephalopods, crustaceans, insects and snail, cell animals. Then plant animals called as the nidarian. He also called because plant like animal they found and they called as the nidarians. What? Nidarians having somewhat plant like look. So this type of classification they made. I again repeat that Aristotle's system of classification. In Aristotle's system of classification, they classify the plant and animal, but they classify animal on the basis of presence and absence of the red blood. That is into anima and the anima. And the number of examples are given to you. All the vertebrate they came under the heading enema, and the organism without red blood that come under the heading anema. So these are the classification. I hope that you enjoy the lecture. Similar type of lecture, subscribe my channel and enjoy the similar type of lecture on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.